Hello everybody, it's SurferBoy757, and just got Black Ops, and what I'm doing, unpacking YouTube video as my first one. Yes, this is my first video. I'll have all kinds, like surfing, skating, all kinds of stuff. My friends doing stupid stuff. Alright, first of all, see what we got in here. Well, the unwrapping, I should say, not the unboxing. There we go. Down. Alright, let's see. Game first, I guess. Open that up. Look at that. They put it in nice and straight for me. What do you do? Let's see. I have played this game. It's pretty fun. I don't play it that much anymore. But, my little brother does, and he's always talking about it with his friends. This is actually the second one I've owned, because right here, as y'all might know, right there, they had a big scratch from what they call a laser ring, which is if you move the Xbox with the game in, it scratches it. And the day we bought it, the guy told us about that, and my stupid 9-year-old brother didn't listen. Inside we got this handbook. How much? Read them. Who cares? That's all customer support. And in my view, Black Ops would have been so much better if it was made by the guys who made Modern Warfare 2. Forget their names. Instead, it was by Activision and Treyarch or something like that. So good game. Really, the handbook, just like Modern Warfare 2, maybe 8 pages long, 9 pages long. Didn't find it helpful, really, whatsoever. I mean, yes, if you're a beginner, but not much. Like, all this stuff, you know. Game controls, button devices, all that. Pretty good. Front cover is pretty sweet looking. And back. My little brother's been in the game already. I don't think I've really played like a full level campaign. But than that, we got the guy who we bought it from. The guy at GameStop was actually very cool, and he gave us this for free because my little brother. I was like, well, he sucks, and he goes, all right. And this is so much better than the handbook. Opening page. Look at that. Some guy shooting a dog. All kinds of stuff. Weapons, level, help, all that. Maps. All kinds of stuff. Just look at that. Let's see here. Gotta get back from upside down. All kinds of stuff. But they even show you, like, routes for live. Which really do much, but well, look, and then on the other side, on the same thing of that, they have on the map tips of what to use, like for this is radiation map of radiation, like equipment tips: C4, camera spike, claymore, jammer, motion sensor, tactical insertion. Let's see, showstopper, primary, G11, good stuff. Shows you all kinds, like, let's see, level help. I think my little brother did use this, I'm not sure, because he's not that good. But he does take video games very seriously. and there's all kinds of stuff. This storyline. See, shows you like, I don't know, see, it shows you like where to go, like how to start, what's the route you should use. Pretty. Alright. That's about it. This book is like 14 bucks, got for free. And I got 60 bucks. My money from trading games and stuff like that. That's about it. Any questions or anything else you probably know? If not, right, subscribe, tell me about it, see if I can answer it. And I'll be back with kinds of stuff like, as I said, surfing, airsoft, all that. Unpackaging. I will have the new BlackBerry Curve in my hands in like Friday. It's Wednesday, so I'll have an unboxing video of that. So I'll see you then.